Alright, so we're out here at my storage unit. I got my Equinox in there. I'm switching motors in that. But right now, I bought spark plugs and wires for this thing here. Changed spark plugs out, and it was kind of missing. You could hear it kind of, it was making like a puffing noise. It was still firing on all 4 cylinders and everything, but it was just, you could hear, if you know what a miss sounds like, that doesn't, it's still firing, but it's not full fire or whatever. You can tell that. It's hard to explain that sound, but if you know it, you know it. So I changed all 4 spark plugs. The wires that were on there looked brand spanking new. And so I left those wires on there. I'm going to return the ones I just bought. But what I found were all 4 spark plugs were wore out. And then 2 of the spark plug wires were loose on top of the spark plug. And I got them all on there nice and tight now. So everything is snapped into place and tight, and man, it's running so nice and smooth now. I'm gonna get a thermostat for this afternoon. I got one on order. And then there's gonna be I gotta change engine mounts. The bushings are all shot. I'm gonna see if I can just get bushings for it. But then there's this kind of stuff right here. I had my dog. There she is. Hi, BB. So this I'm gonna fix this up. This right here, it's hard to see it, but it's kind of flared out at the bottom. I'm gonna see if I can get a whole new console. It's kind of beat up in here and everything, but I'm gonna get new seat cushions and everything. This all came with, everything that's here came with the car except for like my glasses and my wallet and the garbage and kickstart down there and stuff. And of course the dog was mine before. Right, Rocket? Yeah. You love riding in cars, don't you, girl? So, all right. Like I said before, I haven't decided if I'm going to fix this or not, but probably gonna hire my oldest son who does body work. You can tell that there's, looks like somebody bumped up against something in the front bumper here. So, and then I don't know what, we're gonna try and buff that out. There's a guy that I work with. He's got buffing stuff like that, tools and everything. We're gonna see if we can buff this out. Of course, he wants to buy the car. I'm not ready to sell it yet. I may end up, I don't know. I'm not gonna keep it forever. Probably just gonna keep it for at least a year. You know, I just got the car. I'd like to drive it around, especially now that I just got it running good. So there it is, baby. Phew! 84, the first year they made them. I didn't do much of a walk around before. As you can tell, body in good shape, really. Faded over the years. The sunroof does not leak. I don't know if they've replaced the seal in this once or twice maybe. I know that they do sometimes leak, but this has got to be fixed on this side. The key works on this door, but it doesn't work on the driver's door. The inside panel on this door here is okay though. This is in decent shape. So there's my garbage. So little by little, I'm gonna fix her up, make her look nice. Gonna have to get new stickers. So, all right, guys. If you want to see how this thing improves, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing upgrades and more videos. Like I said, I've got my Equinox inside here that I'm switching motors on. I'm gonna get that running here this summer. I got the Traverse that I just bought. It's up at my son's house up in out in the country by Waukon, Iowa. The first, well, not the first week of June, second weekend in June, I'm going to be going up there We got another motor already. Needs timing gears. We're gonna get that fixed and ready to go. And that weekend we go up there, we're gonna swap that motor out, lickety split. And then my 16-year-old's gonna end up with the Honda Pilot. I think he might want this though. The last few times he's been working at his job, he's like, can I take the Fiero? I'm like, sure, go ahead. So, but anyways, that's all I got for you now.